Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how you can disable any particular repository for your Azure DevOps project. So to do that, select any specific project, go to the project settings, select repositories under the repos, select the repositories. Here you may have multiple repos. You can select the one you want to disable. Once you select that, under settings, you will find one more option called disable repository. You can turn it on. By disabling that, now though your repository will be available to access in the list, but you won't be able to view anything like build, pull request, code, or branch. It will be completely locked out unless and until you turn it off. So if you go and click on browse, it will show you this particular repo is disabled. You can navigate through commits, posts, pull request, all other options, you will get the same message. Turn it back by click on manage repositories, which will eventually take you to the same settings, repos, and just turn it off. You can go back again on the browse option to see list of files or all other details for the particular repo.